Hello dear, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and unique beaded spiral necklace at home. This is absolutely simple and easy to make. Remember one thing, if I can make this, then you also can make this. The necklace is based on herringbone stitch. I am making this with black and yellow color beads, but you can make it with your favorite color. You can wear this necklace without pendant or with pendant. I like to wear this design without pendant, but don't worry, in this video I'm gonna show you the pendant making steps also. If you like my video, then please consider one like and subscribe because it takes lots of time and efforts. And do you like my voiceover instruction and subtitles? Please let me know in the comment section below. So let's check the material list. So for that we need black seed beads 11O, yellow seed beads 11O, pearl beads 12 mm, S hook or clasp, or you can use any kind of clasp, fishing line or fire line 0.20 mm, and beading needle number 11. So let's make the necklace. So at first take 290 cm long thread for 39 cm long necklace and leave 9 cm long thread for tail. I am using here stop bead. If you wish, you can skip the step, and for your favorite subtitle, please turn on the caption button. So pick up 4 black beads 11O. And then step up through the first 2 black beads. Then pick up 2 black beads and then step down through these 2 black beads. Now we have to step up through these 3 beads. Again we have to pick up 2 black beads 11O and step down through this 1 black bead in the top. Now we have to pick up 1 yellow bead 11O and step up through these 2 black beads in the top. Now pick up 2 black beads 11O and step down through the next 1 black bead in the top. Now pick up 1 yellow bead 11O and step up through the 2 black beads in the top. Now pick up 2 black beads 11O and step down through the next 1 black in the top. So pick up 1 yellow bead 11O and step up through the next 2 black bead in the top. Now pick up 2 black beads and step down through the next 1 black in the top. and then pick up one yellow bead and step up through the 2 black bead in the top. This way we have to continue the weaving. As you can see, it started curving. It looks flat right now, but don't worry, when you reach 15 to 20 row it will be twisted. As you can see, my project is creating the shape, so continue weaving up to your desired length. As you can see, I have completed mine. Mine is 39 cm long, and now it's time to create the closure loop. I am picking up 6 black beads and clasp. Now step down through the 2 black beads in the top. Now it's time to secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread because this side is done. Now I'm gonna make the another side, so remove the stop bead and attach a needle in this side. So again I am picking up 6 black beads and closure. Now step down through the 2 black beads in the top. Now it's time to secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread because this side is done. So voila, the necklace is done. Now I'm gonna make the pendant. So for that we need 60 cm long thread and pick up 4 black beads, 11 tie a few secure knots here. Then step up through the 2 black beads. Now pick up 2 black beads, 11 and step down through the next 1 black in the top. Now pick up one yellow and step up through the two black beads in the top. Pick up two black and step down through the next one black in the top. Pick up one yellow and step up through the two black beads in the top. Now pick up two black beads and step down through the next one in the top. Pick up one yellow and step up through the two black beads in the top. Now cut off the extra tail thread because we don't need this. Now repeat and continue the same step. As you can see, I have completed mine and I make almost 26 rows. You can measure this size like this. Now pass through the opposite side bead. Now put the pearl inside and pass through the needle with this pearl bead. Now pass through the couple beads in the opposite side. Again we have to go back through the pearl bead. Now pass through the next two black beads because we have to reach the join point. Now pass through the next one black bead. Now pick up 4 black beads 11 rows. Skip the middle black and pass through the next one black. Now we have to step up through the two black beads you just added. I'm gonna make the herringbone stitch, so pick up two black beads and pass through the next one black in the top. Now step up through the next two black beads in the top. Now pick up two black beads and pass through the next one black in the top. Then step up through the next two black beads in the top. Now repeat and continue this herringbone stitch up to your desired length. As you can see, I have completed up to 5 cm long. You can make it with your choice. Now pass through the opposite side two black beads. Then step up through this line. Now it's time to secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread. Voila! The pendant is done. So I hope you love these beaded spiral necklace and pendant making tutorials. If yes, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more jewelry making tutorials like this. I make beaded jewelry like beads, bracelet and necklace, earrings, finger rings, bangles, etc. And I have listed the material list and some quick jewelry tips like timestamp in this description box right below this video. And don't forget to check this out. And if you wish to donate me, now you can send me by clicking the super thanks button in my videos. And see you in next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.